Welcome back. Now we are going to learn evaporation. Wet clothes dry when we hang them outside. Sweat disappears when we switch on fan. Nail polish removers vanishes when we open its bottle for a while. What is the reason behind this phenomena? Or where is the liquid particles go? Actually, the liquid water changes to gaseous state in these examples. But you have studied in the previous classes that the process of conversion of liquid to gas is boiling. But here no boiling is taking place, right? This change of state, that is liquid to gas, is taking place below boiling point. This phenomenon of change of liquid in vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. The particles of matter are always moving. At a particular temperature, in any gas, liquid or solid, there are particles with different amount of kinetic energy. In the case of liquids, a small fraction of particles at the surface have a higher kinetic energy, and these particles with higher energy are able to break away from the force of attraction of other particles and get converted into vapor. And this is actually evaporation. So, evaporation is a surface phenomena. That is, the particle at the surface only undergo evaporation. But boiling is a bulk phenomenon. That is, particles at any part of the liquid converts into gaseous state. In boiling, particles from all part of the container is converting to gaseous state. Whereas, in evaporation, particles at the surface only converting to gaseous state. Now we can differentiate boiling from evaporation. Boiling is a process in which a substance changes its state from liquid to gaseous state at boiling point, whereas evaporation is a process in which liquid changes to its vapor at any temperature below boiling point. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon, that is, take place throughout the liquid, whereas evaporation is a surface phenomenon, that is, take place only on the surface of a liquid. No cooling effect is there in boiling, whereas in evaporation, cooling effect is there. Boiling is a quick process, whereas evaporation is a slow process. Bubbles are formed during boiling, whereas no bubbles are formed during evaporation. Source of energy is needed in boiling, while in evaporation, energy is supplied by surroundings. These are the differences between boiling and evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. First one, an increase of surface area. Let me have a question. Why we are spreading clothes while putting them for drying up? What is the answer? It is actually for increasing the surface area. Because evaporation is a surface phenomena. That is, if the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation also increases. This is the reason why we are spreading clothes for drying them up. Second one, an increase of temperature. In which season the clothes dry faster? In summer season or in winter? Definitely in summer. The temperature is higher in summer. With increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. So evaporation increases with the increase in temperature. Third one, a decrease in humidity. We know that clothes are drying very slowly in rainy season. During this season, the humidity of atmosphere is higher. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. Fourth one, an increase in wind speed. It is a common observation that clothes dry faster on a windy day. With the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor moves away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor present in the surrounding and make the evaporation faster. These are the factors affecting evaporation. Evaporation causes cooling effect. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surrounding makes the surrounding cool. We feel cold when we put some acetone or nail polish remover on our hands. Here actually evaporation taking place. The particles of acetone or nail polish remover gets energy from our hand or from the surrounding and get evaporate and making us feel cool. You might be noticed that the people used to sprinkle water on the roof after a hot sunny day. Due to high temperature, evaporation taking place fastly by absorbing energy from the surrounding. And this absorption makes the surrounding cold. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? We should wear cotton clothes in summer. We perspire more during summer season. During evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid get energy from the surroundings or from the body surface and change into vapor. The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Cotton absorbs sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. So it is advisable to wear cotton clothes in summer. Another question. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? The water vapor present in air on coming in contact with the cold glass of water, it loses energy and get converted into liquid state, which we can see as water droplets. That's all about evaporation. Hope you understand this and thank you for watching.